how to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you recover my eyes only deleted pictures on your Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open a Snapchat application with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat application with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. And now from here, tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the option help. So it usually appear on the section support and feedback. So simply tap on this help center. Alright, so now from this Snapchat support section, you have to scroll down and go the options like contact us. So simply tap on this contact us. Alright, so from this section you'll have to go the options like I need help with Snapchat feature. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like memories. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like contact Snapchat support. Alright, so from here you'll have to submit a request. So from here you'll have to give your username here, and on the another section you have to give your email address which have been associated with that Snapchat account. And now on the description section you'll have to explain your problem, like you can't recover your my eyes only deleted picture on Snapchat, so you want to recover that. And now after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the submit option, and after you submit this request from here, the Snapchat support team will truly contact you in couple of few hours or some days. So after then you'll be able to find the ways to recover your Snapchat deleted my eyes only pictures. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.